from Corsini Acoustic Solutions. Today, guys, we are doing an acoustic treatment installation for the home cinemas. We are using Artnovion Cinema Series new product. This is the absorber core. So basically, it's a cold structure made of wood. It has an absorber cell phone core, and then you can install different shells. This shell is called Valley. Basically, this type of clips are installed here on pre-drilled holes, and what you simply do is connecting the clips on these edges. Spray, and then and the panel, it's easily installed. You want to take it off, simply remove it, and you can swap shells. So now I'm going to show you the other two Cinema Series core products from Artnovion. This is the speaker frame, the speaker core. So it doesn't have any absorption, obviously, because the speaker is going to be behind. And the shell for the speaker core are the fabric shells. So this one can be removed, and just the shell is going to be in front as a cover. The next core, this is the diffuser core. Same structure, same wooden structure, and there is an EPS diffuser core inside. The shell for this core as well is going to be fabric as well. Also, I forgot, regarding the absorber core, you can also install the wooden shells. This is the Siena. There is also the Komodo shell, which is a perforated style sort of diffusing frame in the front. So this one is going to be installed on the absorber, can be installed on the absorber. Adjust the cutout, and we're gonna cut the diffuser. This is made of EPS polystyrene to accommodate the enclosure of the speaker.